What's the meaning of ad infinitum? Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum. Ad infinitum is a Latin phrase that means to infinity, or endlessly. It is often used to describe a process or situation that continues without limit or endlessly. This phrase is commonly used in mathematics, philosophy, and science to indicate an unending sequence or progression. In daily life, it can refer to a repetitive and never-ending task or activity, or something that seems to have no resolution. The phrase emphasizes the idea of endlessness, repetition, and limitlessness, reminding us that some things may continue uninterrupted, indefinitely. Overall, ad infinitum refers to a never-ending cycle or process, without any foreseeable end or conclusion.